Hey, what's going on, fam? Just for a couple of minutes, I want to give you guys all a quick update on Ivy League Crypto Academy, ILCA. My name is Brandon Ivey. I'm the founder of Ivy League Crypto Academy, and we have been in business now for 2.5 years providing crypto education to the community for beginners to advanced alike, depending on where you think you are and what you need to learn. And we have now 10 courses with more than 150 videos inside of our academy. We also providing crypto talks almost on a daily basis and classes in the evening, which I'm about to do in the next 5 minutes. Our diamond class, where we're taking the lessons and videos that we have that's recorded, and we go over them live with our diamond member community so you're able to ask questions. We also have a 5-day challenge that we do once a month free for the community to give the community an opportunity to learn a little bit about what Bitcoin is and get them exposed to this technology and this knowledge so that you can decide if this is something you want to learn more about later on. Well, a new update. After 2.5 years, I have decided to part ways with the managing firm that I was working with, the marketing firm before, and moving forward with something new. Now, the biggest change is nothing that you're going to see on the outside. This is more things that's happening behind the scenes. But there are going to be a couple of changes. We will have a relaunch coming July 1st, which will I'm calling this ILCA 2.0. And in the process, we're going to be revamping some things and updating all of our videos to make sure that they are current and up to date. I mean, one of the things that separates me from if you just go to YouTube and watch some videos to teach you about crypto is that those videos are already outdated. This industry is changing so rapidly that you've got to stay on top of it to remain current. Even when I first started to learn about crypto, I'd use Google and I used YouTube. But you know what I found out? 50% of the information that I was getting was incorrect. The other 50% was outdated. It was correct at its time. So I make it a point every 6 months to a year to go through our videos and update the ones that are needed and necessary. And we're actually going back to the basics. I'm going back to the first 3 lessons that we created that I actually created back in 2018. Bitcoin 101, Crypto Advanced, how to trade Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. I'm going through those, revamping them, giving them a new look, a new feel, some new updated information. Bitcoin is older, it's more mature. And as of this point, we now have 500 million people around the world that are crypto holders. When I first got started, that number was around 45 million. So this industry is growing at a rapid pace. We had the Bitcoin ETF permission approval, the Ethereum approval. We had the Bitcoin halving. This year, Bitcoin reached its all-time high. Ethereum is close to reaching its all-time high. In fact, it's projected to reach $20,000 in the next couple of years. BNB today just hit its all-time high. We have our politicians that are now writing laws to make this more crypto friendly. You got to be up to date and current so that you can make the wise decisions on building and creating your portfolio. So a couple of things that to come. One, I'm bringing back the affiliate side also. Only one tier affiliate side for our promo. So those of you who are either in our inner circle or our diamond will be able to be affiliates. So if you're sharing ILCA, you're also going to be able to earn an income from people purchasing my crypto educational products and getting on our memberships. For example, our inner circle, $49 a month, or our diamond, $99 a month. We have our 5-day challenge coming at the end of this month, back to the basics. Real kickoff will be in July, but I'm also doing a special promo. Our promo this month, normal price for all of my courses, 10 courses and 150 videos is $2,500 is my regular price, or $24.99. I'm taking $2,000 off just from now to the end of the month. $500 will get you all of the courses, including the updated ones that I'm doing. So if you said, well, Brandon, I've seen your courses in the past, they're not the same. It's new, it's different, it's updated. If you're a diamond member, you're already going to have access to them. But if you're inner circle or anything else, VIPs, and you don't even have access to the courses right now, $500 will get you all the courses. I'm going to show you what the page looks like that you can go to place your order. It is ivyleaguecrypto.info. That is ivyleaguecrypto.info. Once again, you just go to your browser, click in ivyleaguecrypto.info. You'll see Crypto Education 2.0, unlock your potential, 80% off if you put in coupon code EDU20 at checkout. Coupon code EDU20, it is on the site. Just click here to begin. I have a short promo video here for you to understand what's happening. You're going to get all 10 courses for $2,000 off. Once you get your courses, you'll get an email that will give you access to your membership section so that you can look at the courses. For example, we've got Bitcoin 101, Crypto Advanced, Trading Cryptocurrency, Internet of Things, DeFi, NFTs, Metaverse, Tokenization, Artificial Intelligence, Web 3.0. And when you click on Bitcoin 101, for example, here's your lessons. Here's your page to see all the videos. From an introduction to Bitcoin and crypto, what is the blockchain, the birth of Bitcoin, how do cryptocurrencies work, and you get the lesson right here for you, and you can move on to the next. So this is a great deal. When I first launched ILCA, I only had 3 courses. I had Bitcoin 101, Crypto Advanced, Trading Cryptocurrency, 45 videos, and the cost was $1,000. And we had a huge movement in our community on that. Also, as an extra bonus, if you're a part of Get Fit Mining and you do get this promo, not only are you getting $2,000 off, but I'm also going to give you 3 Omega miners. Each Omega miner is worth $899 a piece at regular price. We just have discounts going on right now. So 3 Omega miners with this purchase as well, if you are a member of Get Fit Mining. All right, it's time for me to go. I'm got to do our diamond class tonight. We are still in our artificial intelligence section. By the time July rolls around, when I'm rolling out the new ILCA 2.0, there's going to be a new website. You're going to see a whole lot of fun stuff. We're also coming out with an app, and the app is going to allow you to access these courses. We're also going to be creating membership groups so that you'll be able to chat with and share information with other people in the same course as you. And those of you in my ILCA Elite group, we're definitely going to be using the app for a lot of things. It is just private for our elite group as well. So with that, those of you in our diamond membership, I'll see you in a couple of minutes. Everybody else, you'll be seeing me going live with a lot of different updates throughout the rest of this month. But get your hands on that promo while you can. IvyLeeCrypto.info. Take care. Brandon Ivey out. Bye-bye.